Everybody's looking for that secret ingredient to shed belly fat. It's a common quest, isn't it? We all want that quick fix, that magic bullet that will make those stubborn inches around our waist disappear. From fad diets to intense workout regimes, the journey to a flatter stomach can be overwhelming and sometimes disheartening. But what if I told you that the answer might be hiding in your kitchen, in the form of a fiery little pepper? Could chili be the magic bullet? It's a question that has intrigued many. Chili peppers, with their vibrant colors and intense heat, have been a staple in various cuisines around the world. But beyond their culinary uses, these spicy wonders have been the subject of numerous studies for their potential health benefits. So, let's dive deeper into the world of chili peppers and see if they can indeed help you achieve that flat belly you've been dreaming of. So, you've heard that eating chili might help you reduce belly fat, huh? It's a claim that has been circulating for a while, and it's easy to see why it has gained traction. After all, who wouldn't want to enjoy their favorite spicy dishes while also burning off some extra calories? But before you start piling on the hot sauce, let's take a closer look at the science behind this claim. Well, let's break it down. The key component in chili peppers that is believed to aid in weight loss is capsaicin. Capsaicin is the compound responsible for the heat in chili peppers. When you eat something spicy, it's capsaicin that causes that burning sensation in your mouth. But capsaicin does more than just add heat to your food. It has been shown to have a thermogenic effect, meaning it can increase your body's heat production and, in turn, boost your metabolism. Capsaicin, the compound that gives chili its kick, is known to boost metabolism. Sounds promising, right? But hold up. While it's true that capsaicin can help you burn a few extra calories, it's important to manage your expectations. The increase in metabolism from eating chili peppers is relatively small. It's not going to make a significant dent in your calorie expenditure on its own. Think of it as a small bonus rather than a game changer. Eating chili alone won't melt away those love handles. It's a harsh reality, but there's no getting around it. Weight loss, especially targeted fat loss, is a complex process that involves multiple factors. While adding chili to your diet can be a helpful tool, it's not a standalone solution. You need to combine it with other healthy habits to see real results. Here's the deal. Capsaicin can help you burn a few extra calories, but it's not a miracle worker. To effectively reduce belly fat, you need to create a calorie deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume. This can be achieved through a combination of a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Chili peppers can be a part of this equation, but they are not the sole answer. You still need a balanced diet and regular exercise. A diet rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, is essential for overall health and weight management. Regular exercise, including both cardiovascular and strength training activities, helps to burn calories and build muscle, which can boost your metabolism even further. Incorporating chili peppers into a healthy lifestyle can provide that extra edge, but it's not a substitute for the basics. Think of chili as a sidekick, not the superhero. In the battle against belly fat, chili peppers can be a valuable ally, but they are not the main hero. They can support your efforts and provide some additional benefits, but the heavy lifting still needs to be done through a combination of diet and exercise. So, should you pile on the hot sauce? If you enjoy spicy food, there's no reason not to. Adding chili peppers or hot sauce to your meals can enhance the flavor and make your dishes more enjoyable. Plus, you'll get the added benefit of a slight metabolic boost. However, it's important to listen to your body and not overdo it. Too much spice can cause digestive discomfort for some people. Sure, if you love the heat. Enjoying spicy food can be a fun and flavorful way to add variety to your diet. Sharing a spicy meal with friends can also be a great social experience. Just remember to balance it with other healthy foods and not rely solely on chili peppers for weight loss. It can add flavor and give your metabolism a tiny boost. The key is to incorporate chili peppers into a well-rounded diet. Use them to spice up your meals and take advantage of their potential benefits. But don't expect them to work miracles on their own. Just remember, it's not a shortcut to a six-pack. Achieving a toned and flat stomach requires consistent effort and dedication. There are no shortcuts or quick fixes. Chili peppers can be a helpful addition to your routine, but they are not a replacement for hard work and healthy habits. Bottom line, chili can help, But it's not the magic cure for belly fat. Incorporating chili peppers into your diet can provide some benefits, but they should be part of a comprehensive approach to weight loss. Focus on eating a balanced diet, staying active, and making sustainable lifestyle changes. Eat smart, sweat it out, and enjoy the spicy ride. Stay healthy, folks. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the process, make small changes, and celebrate your progress along the way. And if you love chili, enjoy it as part of your balanced diet. Here's to a healthier, spicier life.